Unlock financial freedom, mind training that works. Why your mind is the first place wealth is created. Financial freedom does not start with money. It starts with the mind. Most people believe money is something outside of them. They think money depends on luck, or education, or family background, or the economy. That belief is the first prison. Money follows thinking. Income follows identity. Results follow beliefs. If your mind stays the same, your income will stay the same, even if opportunities change. This is why some people lose money again and again, even after success, even after winning. And this is why some people rise from nothing, no connections, no advantages, only clarity. They trained their mind first. This article is not about tricks. It is not about shortcuts. It is not about overnight success. This article is about mental training that works. Simple, clear, real. Written for total beginners. If you can think, you can train your mind. If you can train your mind, you can change your financial future. The hidden reason most people stay broke. Most people are not poor because they lack money. They are poor because they repeat the same thoughts every day. Thoughts create emotions. Emotions create actions. Actions create results. Change the result. You must change the action. Change the action, you must change the emotion. Change the emotion, you must change the thought. This is the chain. Many people say they want more money, but their thoughts say something else. They think money is stressful. They think money is evil. They think rich people are greedy. They think wealth is risky. Then they wonder why money avoids them. Your mind protects what it believes. If your mind believes money is dangerous, it will keep you safe from it. Safety feels comfortable. Comfort keeps you small. Financial freedom requires growth. Growth requires discomfort. This is why mindset training matters. Scarcity thinking versus freedom thinking. There are two basic ways to think about money. Scarcity thinking and freedom thinking. Scarcity thinking says there is not enough. If someone wins, I lose. I must protect what little I have. Freedom thinking says there is abundance. Value creates money. Growth creates opportunity. Scarcity thinking focuses on cost. Freedom thinking focuses on value. Scarcity thinking asks, how much does this cost me? Freedom thinking asks, what can this create? Scarcity thinking keeps asking permission. Freedom thinking takes responsibility. If you want financial freedom, you must learn to think in terms of value, not price. People do not get rich by saving money alone. They get rich by increasing value. Value of skills, value of ideas, value of problem solving. This shift is the foundation. Your identity controls your income. You do not earn what you want. You earn what you believe you are. If you see yourself as a survivor, you earn survival money. If you see yourself as an employee only, you earn fixed income. If you see yourself as a problem solver, you earn opportunity income. Your identity sets an invisible limit. Many people work hard, very hard, but their identity stays small. They say, I am not good with money. I am not smart enough. I am not a business person. The mind listens, then obeys. To unlock financial freedom, you must upgrade identity first. You are not chasing money. You are becoming someone who creates value. This is a powerful shift. Money is a skill, not a miracle. Money is not magic. Money is not talent. Money is not destiny. Money is a skill. Skills can be learned. Skills can be trained. Skills can be improved. This truth alone changes everything. If money is a skill, failure is part of learning. Mistakes are lessons. Loss is feedback. But most people avoid learning money skills because they fear failure. They prefer comfort over growth. Freedom thinkers accept learning curves. They accept discomfort. They accept temporary failure because they think long-term. This mindset separates amateurs from builders. The power of long-term thinking. Short-term thinking asks, how can I get money fast? Long-term thinking asks, how can I build systems? Fast money thinking creates stress. Long-term thinking creates peace. Short-term thinking looks for hacks. Long-term thinking builds habits. Financial freedom is built slowly, but lost quickly. This is why patience is power. Every wealthy person understands delay. Delay of reward, delay of comfort, delay of results. They plant today, they harvest later. Mind training means training patience. Why motivation alone is not enough. Motivation feels good, but motivation fades. Discipline stays. Freedom thinkers do not rely on motivation. They rely on systems. They build routines, daily habits, simple actions. Small steps repeated daily beat big actions done once. This article will not hype you up. It will ground you, because real freedom is calm, not loud. A new definition of financial freedom. Financial freedom is not luxury. It is not expensive things. It is not showing success. Financial freedom is choice. Choice to say no. Choice to walk away. Choice to rest. Choice to create. Money is a tool. Freedom is the goal. When you train your mind, money becomes calm, clear, controlled. No fear, no chaos. Mind training habits that build real financial freedom. Financial freedom is built in daily moments, not in big events. What you think in the morning matters. What you repeat during the day matters. What you believe before sleep matters. Your mind is always training. The only question is, are you training it for freedom or for limitation? In this part, you will learn simple mental habits. These habits shape how you see money, how you react to problems, how you grow income over time. No complexity, only clarity. Habit 1. Control the first thought. The first thought of the day sets direction. Many people wake up stressed. They think about bills. They think about problems. They think about what they lack. This trains the brain for scarcity. Freedom thinkers pause. They choose the first thought. They ask, what can I build today? What can I learn today? What value can I create today? You do not need perfect answers. You only need the question. The brain follows questions. Habit 2. Separate money from emotion. Money is neutral. Emotion is not. Most people mix them. They feel fear when spending, guilt when earning, shame when failing. This creates confusion. Freedom thinkers separate facts from feelings. They ask, what is the number? What is the data? What is the lesson? No drama, only feedback. When emotion is removed, clarity appears. Habit 3. Focus on income skills, not money. Beginners chase money. Freedom thinkers build skills. Skills create income repeatedly. Money disappears if skill is missing. Writing, selling, teaching, problem solving, communicating. These skills compound. Every day spent improving skill increases future income, even if money is not immediate. This is delayed power. Habit 4. Replace complaints with questions. Complaints drain energy. Questions create solutions. Instead of, "This is unfair," ask, "What can I control?" Instead of, "I do not have money," ask, "How can I increase value?" The mind obeys questions. Better questions lead to better income. Habit 5. Think in systems, not effort. Hard work alone is not freedom. Systems create freedom. A system works while you rest. Freedom thinkers build routines, simple workflows, repeatable actions. 1 hour daily, every day. Consistency beats intensity. Habit 6. Learn to delay comfort. Comfort is expensive. Short-term pleasure costs long-term freedom. Scrolling, spending, escaping. Freedom thinkers delay comfort. They choose learning over distraction, creation over consumption. This choice compounds silently. Habit 7. Redefine failure. Failure is not loss. Failure is data. Every mistake teaches. Every loss informs. Freedom thinkers ask, "What did this teach me?" Not, "Why did this happen to me?" This mindset builds resilience. Habit 8. Visualize calm success. Most people visualize luxury. Freedom thinkers visualize calm. No stress, no pressure. Clear choices. Calm is the true sign of freedom. Train the mind to seek peace, not noise. Habit 9. Track progress simply. Complex tracking kills consistency. Freedom thinkers keep it simple. Income, skill growth, time invested. Small numbers, daily check. Progress becomes visible. Habit 10. Surround your mind carefully. Your environment programs your thinking. Content matters, people matter, conversations matter. Limit negativity, increase value input. Your mind reflects what it consumes. Why these habits work? These habits are simple but powerful. They reshape identity. They change behavior. They attract opportunity. Not fast, but real. Financial freedom is built quietly. Protect your mind, build systems, and stay free long-term. Financial freedom is not a destination. It is a state you protect daily. Many people reach progress, then lose it, not because they lack skill, but because they stop protecting their mind. Your greatest asset is not money, it is clarity. Clarity keeps you calm. Calm keeps you consistent. Consistency builds wealth. The silent enemies of financial freedom. Freedom is fragile at the beginning. There are silent enemies. They do not attack loudly. They appear as normal behavior. Comparison, impatience, overconfidence, fear of missing out. Comparison creates pressure. Pressure creates poor decisions. Freedom thinkers compare only with yesterday. Impatience destroys compounding. Compounding needs time. Overconfidence leads to careless risk. Freedom requires awareness. Fear of missing out creates chaos. Calm thinking creates opportunity. Protect your mental space. Build one system before adding another. Many beginners fail because they start too much. Too many ideas, too many strategies, too many directions. Freedom thinkers build one system first, one income skill, one routine, one growth path. Then they stabilize it. Only then do they expand. Focus creates momentum. Simple system example for beginners. 1 hour per day. 20 minutes learning a skill. 20 minutes practicing. 20 minutes creating value. Every day. No skipping, no excuses. This system builds confidence. Confidence attracts opportunity. Money follows stability. Chaos repels money. Stability attracts it. Stable habits, stable thinking, stable routines. Income grows where structure exists. Freedom thinkers simplify. Less noise, less distraction, more clarity. Protect your mental energy. Energy is currency. What drains energy drains wealth. Endless news, negative conversations, constant comparison. Freedom thinkers choose input carefully. They consume to grow, not to escape. The role of patience in wealth. Patience is misunderstood. It is not waiting. It is consistent action without panic. Freedom thinkers trust the process. They show up daily, even when results are invisible. This is where most people quit. This is where freedom begins. When doubt appears. Doubt is normal. It does not mean you are failing. It means you are growing. Freedom thinkers do not argue with doubt. They continue anyway. Action dissolves fear. Redefine success. Success is not speed. Success is stability. If your income grows but your stress grows faster, you are not free. True freedom feels calm. The final shift. You are not chasing money. You are building capacity. Capacity to think clearly. Capacity to solve problems. Capacity to create value. Money follows capacity. A simple promise. If you train your mind daily, if you build systems patiently, if you protect your clarity, financial freedom becomes inevitable. Not overnight, but permanently. Final words. You do not need permission to start. You do not need perfect conditions. You do not need special talent. You need consistency and a trained mind. Freedom is built one calm day at a time. To support this channel, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Your engagement allows us to keep producing high-quality shadowing lessons for you.